Let's see how to install CodeBlocks in your computer. Open Google Chrome. Search CodeBlocks. Select codeblocks.org. Here is a short description of CodeBlocks. Select Downloads. Select Download the binary release. These are different types of installation files. Select the site from which you want to download. I'm clicking on sourceforge.net. The downloading will start soon. It is a small exe file about 36 megabytes. I will be back when the downloading is finished. The downloading is completed. Click the downloaded file to start installation. It takes some time to load up. Click Install. You can read their terms of agreement. Click I agree. It is better to select all plugins to install. Select the location to install. I am selecting the default location in C drive. CodeBlocks is installing in your system. I am clicking Yes to launch CodeBlocks. There will also a shortcut in desktop. Select GNU GCC compiler. Click Set as default. Click No, leave everything as it is. Here is your CodeBlocks interface.